how to use PacWeigh RWA with ZM615 as unattended. You can see two loops right now is two loops over there are deactive. So drive truck on close scale trick loop. You will zero the scale, and traffic light change to green, then drive on the scale, keep going until fully on the scale. Right now, the traffic light change from green to red, and if you have a car, swipe the car. Car information will show up in the screen. Then you may need to enter the information. If the car has all the default, you don't have to enter information. But in this case, you need enter. So enter product code is 19, press F3 to enter. Then next will be truck ID, job ID. In this case, I put 123, press F3. You will save, catch the weight, save the transaction, and print the tickets. And the traffic light change from the red to flashing green. This is the tickets. Take the tickets, drive off the scale. So this transaction is done. Currently, in this case, this truck uses store tail. If you need weigh in, weigh out, then you have to do same thing, weigh in and weigh out again.